Hello all, how are you? Today I'll be talking about two products from one of my favorite Indian brands, which happens to be Pilgrim. I tried their body butter last summer. I thoroughly enjoyed. I have an oily combination skin on my face, but it's very strange that my body is kind of dry. It's on the dry side actually, and I have to keep it moisturized all the time, and during the summers it really gets very annoying. Whenever I apply some moisturizer or something, I hate that chip wala feeling that you get. No, I simply hate that. So I tried Pilgrims. I don't really remember that name. The smell is heavenly. So I finished 2 dabbas of it. I gifted one to my mom, and I myself finished 2 tubs. And this time, because it's summer, I wanted to try something which has a thinner consistency for obvious reasons. And I was searching and I came across this one, which is a body lotion. It has shea and cocoa butter, I think. Yeah, shea and cocoa. So this is how it looks. And I also got a hand cream because, you know, like COVID ke chalte kuch ho nahi ho, we have to wash our hands like n number of times. So my hands are getting very dry, and my nails, to pucho hi mat, they have become so brittle. So see, I have to chop them off all the time. Like, keeping longer nails have become a sapna, I tell you. So this is how the packaging is. I really love this shade of blue. It looks so luxurious, which is very convenient. Like, you just press it here and it's like those normal how you apply it. Just look at the consistency. Wait, I'll show you. The smell is to die for. See, this is a very thin kind of a consistency. See, and it doesn't have any sticky chip feeling, or it doesn't even make your skin like, I hate it when the moisturizers make your skin look waxy and chip and like not so attractive, and then all the dirt will come and sit on your skin. Just see, I just applied it here, and it's so soft, and the smell. God. Brand is an Indian brand, but they are into Korean beauty, so do not confuse it with a Korean brand. This is actually, if I'm not wrong, this is made in India, but the skincare is Korean, if that makes sense. So you can see, and it says it has the secrets of Jeju Island. And let me unbox this other one. This is a vitamin C hand and nail cream. I have been using it. I have been saving this packaging just to show it to you guys. It's been around 2 weeks that I have been using both of these. And this is how the hand cream looks. The small, I really love it. It's a very travel friendly packaging, just to pop it inside your bag and you're good to go. So just show you. This is how the consistency is, if you can see. It looks really thick, but then again, like I said about the other one also, the body lotion also, this is not very chip, so it feels really moisturizing and hydrating on the skin, and very lightweight. So I use it like every day. Ever since I got both of these, I have been using it like right after my shower and right before I go to bed, and I thoroughly love it. When I put it onto my skin, it has a cooling effect, which I really like those perfect summer wala body lotions that you have, no? This is exactly like that. This comes for, this was pretty sasta, I mean affordable, I won't say sasta. This came for 450, and I remember I didn't pay the full price. This was on some 10-15% something, 10% to pakka, if I'm not wrong. This was I got it from Nykaa. You can also get it on Amazon, I'm sure. So I got it on a 10% off, and this is like a steal deal. if you guys decide to try any of the products that I have recommended today or maybe in the past, so just let me know in the comments, or you can hit up my Insta. I'm pretty active there, more than the YouTube. So I'll be really happy and that these products worked for you as well. So yeah, until next time, bye bye.